A big question I have been getting recently is which is better, a tarot card deck or an oracle card deck, or something completely different? Well, today we are going to answer that question for you. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every day. So if you have any interest at all in creating your own card deck, make sure to sign up for my free card deck checklist. It not only tells you how to make card decks, it also has my 2 favorite printers inside of there. Now, are card decks profitable? You betcha. Are they worth creating and printing? Definitely. So I'm going to take just a quick peek at oracle cards and tarot cards. And well, before we do that, let's just talk about what the difference is. Tarot cards is a set number. There are 78 cards in the deck, and every tarot card has a predefined definition of what the card should be and also what they mean. There are actually courses on how to read tarot decks and how to do readings and interpretations for other people. And usually sometimes they have a guidebook or sometimes they don't, since they're kind of standard, like a regular card playing deck. Now, what are oracle cards? Oracle cards are anything but tarot, right? So it is basically something where it's a little spiritual, maybe angelic, or it's some other divinity, or it's totally made up, and we're just going to call them like an all-seeing oracle card. So oracle just means someone who can kind of predict the future or possibly guess about it. Let's not argue whether or not oracles are real. The whole point is these are supposed to give you some guidance and some direction either in life or a specific question that you've asked the cards, or maybe just give you some sort of guidance or advice for that particular day, depending on your process for your cards. Now, what is everything else? Everything else is maybe some more practical things like almost, I don't want to say flashcards because they're not really for studying, although you could make those, and yes, those do make a pretty penny as well. So if we are just talking about the other types of cards, the most popular ones usually have some sort of theme. So maybe it's a theme for self-confidence, self-love. It's usually mostly directed at the individual and almost an offshoot of, I guess, self-help meets astrology. And that's kind of what you can think of for the other cards. Now, if you are, back to our original question, if you're trying to decide, should I make tarot cards or should I make oracle cards? The answer is you should make both. There is absolutely no reason, if you're going to go through all the trouble to learn how to make cards, that you shouldn't just do both of them. Now, if you are not into the strict rules for the tarot cards, which I totally understand, you might just say, you know what? I would like to spread my wings and just kind of make up my own system because I feel more strongly that I can give more guidance and direction and help more people with enlightenment by making an oracle card deck. And that is totally okay. Versus someone who's like, you know what, I really like the structure. I just want to put a little slant on it. My favorite tarot card deck is the one which has cats in it. They're just so cute. But you can use anything that you want. So the answer is do both. If you feel really called with structure, do the tarot cards. If you are more of a rebel and you just don't like rules and you want to do your own thing, then make oracle cards. And of course, you could also do the third category, which is everything else. All right, I hope that was helpful. Remember, if you would like to create and sell your own card deck, make sure to download my oracle card. Well, I guess it's not even an oracle card. It's the card deck checklist below. And like I said, it has my 2 favorite printers in there. I hope everyone's having a fabulous, wonderful, and amazing day. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.